And we're back at a new location. Never been here before. So this is a first reaction video. Not the biggest body of water I've been in this year, but it's not the smallest. Okay, it is the smallest. And it's not the deepest. Sharing a campsite with a couple of folks from Pittsfield, Maine. And they decided to go and fish another lake today. They've been in here for about a week. I think they were going to go to Chase or Sungen. They have a canoe with a motor, so. Yeah. We got some potential here. It's about 80 already. Been having pretty good luck this summer, better than last summer. There's some heavy rain over the weekend, so it brought the water levels up. I went through one washout on the way in that, for a two-wheel drive pickup. I thought maybe not, but I didn't want to backtrack 18 miles and go around another 30 and then back in another 20, so I chanced it. I made her a solid bottom, but the water was about halfway up over the tires for 100 feet or so. Is that up there in the water, I wonder, swimming? Well, let's go find out. Well, they're gone. I think this lake is too small for loons. I used to hear the tales of the old timers would say that it takes a loon 2 circuits around a big lake before they can clear the treetops. That's not a loon. It's mama and some babies of some sort. There they are. Hello. Goodbye. What are they? Oh, oh. Here, I hear ya. I think that is a... I'm not good with ducks. I think it's a wood duck. That's what I think it is. But anyways, they eat fish, whatever they are, and then down there we got something else. What the frig is that? And that's an animal, a 4-legged type, I think, swimming. Maybe it's not, but I can't see with these dang glasses on. Now it's more of those wood ducks, I think. Yep. Same thing. I went right across top of the water just like Jesus himself. Amazing. Well, I'm going to shut off here for a while and try fishing and see if we can find out what type of species of fishes we got in here. It's only about 3 feet deep right here. Looks higher. If anybody knows these areas, they'll know where I am. That's a dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. So we're gonna try her out. We'll be back shortly. Right after these messages, brought to you by My Shoulders Are on Fire.